In this video, you're going to learn how to create a business account on Instagram. And this is the first step to you using Instagram as a powerful marketing tool to grow your business. So the first thing you want to do is download the Instagram app. And to do that, you can just open up any browser, type in download Instagram app. It should pop right up and you can get it absolutely free on iPhone or Android or any other device. So once you've got the app downloaded, you want to go ahead and then open it up. And what you actually want to do here now is log in with your personal Facebook profile. So you'll see this option here, continue as your name, and you want to go ahead and click that. And then once we're inside our personal profile, we can add up to 5 business accounts. So I'm going to click the option to continue with my Facebook account. Then you want to go ahead and click on your icon in the bottom right hand corner to open up your personal profile. And then inside your personal profile, you want to click on the settings gear icon in the top right hand corner. Scroll down and then you want to click on add an account. Now, what we want to do here is go ahead and click on sign up in the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll want to add in a phone number and an email, and it's best to make this your business phone number and email because they would need to be different to your personal account. Once you've added those in, you can just click next. And now you want to add in here your business name and a secure password. So for this example, I'll just put in a fictional business name here and a secure password. And then click next. Here we can see that we have created our account now. Now you can see that it's given me a business name. I can change this if I want, which I think I'd like to do. So I can change this to something more like my business name. And I can see if that's available, which it is, the little green tick. So then I can just click next. Now there are going to be options here to add Facebook friends, etc. You can just skip all of these. And we can just click done in the top right hand corner. We can click cancel. And now we can really come in and see our business profile. So to do that, we can click on the bottom right hand corner and we can see here is my business account setup. There is one further important step that we need to take. And to do that, we can click on the gear icon in the top right hand corner once again. And you're going to see this option to switch it to a business profile. So this will allow us to advertise on Instagram. It'll allow us to get access to the insights, etc. So this is an important step to do in order to get access all of that stuff. So you can just click continue. It gives you a little bit of an overview of the benefits of switching to a business account. And then this is an important step as well. We need to choose a page to link it to from Facebook. So Facebook owns Instagram now, and a key part of that when they bought them, they really are now forcing an integration between Facebook and Instagram. So you need to create or link a Facebook page. So it should show up all of the Facebook pages that I've created. If you haven't created a page, you can go ahead and click create one at the bottom there. But I've just set up a Facebook page. You'll see all of the pages you're an admin for here. You can just select it and then click next. And then you can input once again your business email and phone number. And this information will be visible to your Instagram followers. So it is important to put this in accurately, a phone number or an address. And you just even need to just put in one. So click done. And now we can go to the profile. And there we go. Now we have set up our business account on Instagram. I know there was a couple of steps in there. So you can go back over the video if you need to set it up for yourself. But the key reason that we've set it up this way is now I can switch between my personal profile and any other business accounts that I've set up. And as I said, you can add up to 5 business accounts within the one app here. So that makes it much easier for your workflow day to day to set it up this way. So now that you know how to set up a business account for Instagram, go ahead and set one up for yourself or for a client or a company that you're working for.